Hi, welcome to another one of the Avmor training videos. Today we're going to install the MIXX dispenser. So before we do the install, let's make sure we have everything we need. So when we open the box, we'll find a dispenser, our low flow discharge, high flow discharge, water inlet hose, install kit, comes with your screws and also with the locking bar. We have our instruction manuals, both in English and French, and a wall chart. We also need some tools. So a cordless drill would be great, 5/16 bit if you have, Phillips screwdriver, and always a level and a pen, because we want to make sure we have a nice level dispenser. So now we're going to take our dispenser, remove the cover. It's quite simple. There's two tabs right here that you push in, and we'll remove the cover. Then what we're going to do is take off our mounting bracket. And our mounting bracket we're going to push in and push down and slide it off. Now with our mounting bracket we're going to install this on the wall, and it's going to be very easy because it's easy to handle. So now we're going to pick the wall spaces close to our water, accessible for people who need to use the dispenser. So we come up to it, get our level. So I like to use our level so we can have a nice, neat dispenser. So if you can notice, now I'm just going to mark the holes. There's 4 holes. We'll mark them. Okay, now we've got our mounting bracket up. So quite simply, we're just going to install our dispenser. Click. It's on. We put our locking bar through. Quite simple. And we're there. Cover. It's usually easy to put the cover on the first time without our pickup tubes on. So we're going to slide our cover on. Make sure it clips. Now we have our water inlet hose. Ours come with a quick connect, quick disconnect. So it makes it much easier when you're hooking up to plumbing if they need to use alternative sources. So we're going to screw in our inlet, hook up our quick disconnect, then we'll run this to our water source. Lastly, we want to hook up our discharge hoses. This is for spray bottles, and if you can see on the dispenser, it's marked with a little spray bottle, and it's the gray adductor. Now remember, once you put these on, they become very difficult to take off. So get them on right the first time, and then you'll be great. Slide it on. Next is our long one for buckets, and you'll notice they both have a ring here. This is where the flooding ring is associated. What the flooding ring will do is it floods the adductor so you get vacuum much quicker, thus you get a more consistent dilution. So we're going to take this, put it on, but we also come with a hose hook. This allows us to hang this up. You just kind of manipulate it on, because obviously you want it to be tight, and the first time it's not coming off. We're going to slide up our discharge hose and take our hook, hook it up. So now our dispenser's installed, we're ready to train the operators. But we should put up is the wall chart that comes with the dispenser. It's nice colored, it shows the operators how to use it. So if you have new training or new people coming in, put it, display it nice, close to the dispenser. Take a few minutes just to make sure it's straight. Take some pride in your install. So that's there. Then we're going to take a few minutes and we're going to go through some troubleshooting exercises if you get a call that it's not dispensing properly or so on and so forth. So I can push that seal out with my fingers.